Are your Google ads performing like hot garbage and you need some help? Well, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to make those ads barbecue and not mildew. Stay tuned. So, one of the main reasons that I see my clients whose Google ads are failing them miserably, a lot of times it's the text, it's the copy. They're saying something that's boring. It really is not pulling any emotions. There's no call to action. And so they're not getting the response that they want. But I got you. I'm going to give you a couple of different words. This is psychology play. This is a psychology play that I'm going to give you some words that you can use to attract your audience to make your Google ads better. I wrote some, check them out. You can use words like tested, lifetime, endorse, certified, no obligation, privacy, secure, authentic, money back, protected. These are all words that make people feel safe. So when they see your ads, they're more likely to want to click on it. I got a few more for you. Check this out. Surging, pioneering, tempting, confidential, astonishing, epic, explosive, unusual, daring, discover. All of these words tap into emotion. Are your Google ads tapping into the emotions of your customers and making their pocketbooks dance? If not, try using these words in your Google ads and watch how your business just skyrockets. I'm James from Legacy Business Partners. You can check me out on my website, legacybusinessinc.com, for more amazing tips like these.